Are you new to affiliate marketing? And are you curious about how to get started, what programs to use, how to create funnels, email marketing, etc.? Well, I'm going to talk about just that in this video, so stay tuned. All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about high ticket affiliate marketing. What is it, and how can you get involved in high ticket affiliate marketing? All right, so if you're new to this channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about this content, please post the questions below in the comments section and I will reply. If you're interested in the high ticket affiliate marketing program that I highly recommend at the end of this video, the link will be in the description, the very top of the description below. All right, let's get on with today's video. What is high ticket affiliate marketing? So I'm going to go through this PowerPoint slide real quick and just give it some text I'm just going to read through, and then I'm going to kind of show you what the high ticket marketing is and then the program that I recommend. All right, so if you've been searching for information about affiliate marketing, you have no doubt come across high ticket affiliate marketing. The internet being what it is, there are many different views and reviews on the subject. It's a bit of a minefield. Really, I'm serious. This is like so confusing because people are always like, affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing. You don't make money with affiliate marketing. You only make money with high ticket. There's power behind all of it, right? It just depends on what the speed is and how much money you have to invest. All right. So today I'm talking about the thorny subject of high ticket affiliate marketing, sometimes referred to HTAM. If you see HTAM, that stands for high ticket affiliate marketing. And as the title would suggest, it is a type of affiliate marketing, and high ticket is usually the term used when referring to sales, or in this case, affiliate marketing commissions of $1,000 or more. If you have researched affiliate marketing, you will know that this is defined as affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. And that was searched straight from Wikipedia, and I just dropped that in there. So anyone can become an affiliate marketer, and with many places they can find products to promote in a wide number of niches. ClickBank, JVZoo, Affiliate Junction, those are just a few to talk about. There are many very successful businesses built on this model. However, most of these programs, because they require no financial investment to become an affiliate, don't generally pay high ticket commissions, and that means you have to sell a lot more of anything to make a reasonable income, which is what most affiliate marketers are doing, right? You have a product, you become an affiliate for that product, you sell it, you get a little commission, and you got to sell a bunch of them to get a reasonable amount of money out of it. With high ticket affiliate marketing, it's a different story because each commission you earn will be $1,000 or more. This could be digital products or could be coaching or consulting products that provide exceptional training, value, support to the customer. So a lot of these high ticket products are coaching and consulting products. And what basically they're doing is teaching you how to become an affiliate marketer and also teaching you the skills you need to take it to the next level and become a consultant or coach yourself and make digital products that you can promote yourself. All right. That's what a lot of these programs are. With both high ticket affiliate marketing and standard affiliate marketing, you're responsible for marketing. So why wouldn't you rather spend your marketing dollars on earning high ticket affiliate commissions versus $20 or $50 commissions? Think about that, right? You got to, once you get rolling, maybe you don't have a lot of money and you want to get small, and you're like, okay, I want to start small, I want to throw around a couple different things, but you can be affiliate in multiple different areas and diversify your income, but just have high ticket where it brings you large chunks on occasion where you can constantly get these little pieces. Most people just don't understand the ROI equation, and it's very important for success in your affiliate marketing business. Which leads me to another part of the equation, and that's getting the right education. This is very important, people. I mean, if you're, say you join a high ticket affiliate program and it's all about consulting or education, and it's not from the right people. You want somebody that's in the trenches, that's been there, that's had success, that's actually training and actually has some value to give you, right? So if you don't understand marketing, you can quickly burn through your marketing budget promoting your chosen products. And don't forget, you are just an affiliate and don't own the products. So you're just getting well rewarded for bringing good leads to that company. All right. So the whole point to high ticket affiliate marketing is having a high ticket affiliate program that it doesn't really matter if you don't break even on the front end of your sales funnel. In fact, the whole point is to simply generate a customer and as fast as possible. This is why marketing education is so important. So a lot of these high ticket programs are going to teach you how to bring people in on the front end and get them trained so they can move up the value ladder and purchase higher ticket masterminds or consulting or training that's going to take them to the next level so they can too start earning that income. So high ticket affiliate marketing, funnels, and finance. So I want to talk about a little bit of the funnels and the finance piece, because a lot of people are like, what is high ticket affiliate marketing? I mean, I don't understand the value ladder. Everybody's talking about like value ladder and sales funnels and whatever it is, right? So briefly, a high ticket affiliate marketing begins with marketing a very low cost front end product for maybe $1, $7, $19.47, and it doesn't really matter if your ebook or front end offer promotion doesn't even break even on your advertising spend. So it doesn't matter if you're giving away a free ebook or if you're giving away a small $7 offer and it doesn't break even on the front end, because at the end of the day, you're going to get a sale on the back end that's a lot larger than that little tiny sale that you would have got on the front end. The reason being is that if you are selling high ticket items on the back end, and it doesn't matter because that's where you could be making those commissions of $1, $3, $5, or even $30,000 at one chunk. And then on top of that, they have very skilled salespeople that sell to those people that you're promoting, right? Did you know that if you promote low value affiliate products, the traditional affiliate marketing route, that someone else, the product owner, is the one making the back end high ticket sales, right? That's why you want a program that's going to teach you all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, how to coach, consult, and how to actually be the person developing these high ticket programs, right? That's where you want to be. You want to be the person at the end of the day that gets educated and trained and actually is the one selling these high ticket programs. Wouldn't you rather follow the high ticket affiliate marketing route and make those commissions yourself? Because I know I would. Knowing that you can make high ticket sales now, you know that you can afford to spend a lot more on traffic to acquire customers, because some of them will move up the higher ticket or top tier products. And if you are looking to get started with affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend you go to the high ticket affiliate marketing route and get first class education in online marketing so that you can understand marketing itself. Now, I know I talk about funnels, front end offers, back end offers, and creating profitable affiliate marketing businesses with access to products you can promote and earn high ticket commissions, because that's what I do, right? So guys, I always talk about products like Builderall, for instance, and those products are great to get you trained as a marketer and get you out there marketing, but those products can be used to market high ticket products, right? So you want to start in that niche, get trained up, and then you have a program, a platform that you can use to promote these high ticket affiliate programs. All right. So the last slide here I'm going to talk about is the value ladder, because I was talking about the value ladder and a lot of people don't know what it means. And what that is so you have, let me get this little draw point here. So you have a very small free or something like that, right, offer, right? And then here you have another small, we're going to say $2 signs, right? A very small offer. And then here it would jump. So this might be like a $10 offer or a free ebook or whatever it is, $7, 47. And then this could be like a $50 offer, a $70 offer, $97 offer. And then this would be a, you know, $1,000 offer, you know, or something like that. And then this up here might be a $10,000 offer, right? So it just keeps going higher and higher and higher, right? So as they get brought up into this could be a $25,000 offer. So this could be the real big boy, right? And this is where everybody wants to be. This is the where you want to be in the business, because you're going to learn the most, and this is where you want to be because you're going to make the most. I mean, if you're getting 50% commission and one of these sales is 25, you're making $12,500 each time somebody purchases one of these systems, right? So that's the value ladder. It's just taking you up the chain and it's taking you across. You're making more and more money as the further you go to the right. All right. And the value gets better and better and better as you go up. All right. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys, because I know a lot of times I look at this stuff and I'm like, what the hell is all this stuff? Why did I get into a high ticket affiliate marketing? And I don't talk about high ticket too much because it's very confusing and it scares a lot of people away, but I wanted to bring this up because I want to share with you the program that I am also part of. All right, so let's go ahead and get into that part of today's conversation. And the product that I am part of is Legendary Marketer. Of course, I'm all in on this one. So I have the highest tier that you can get in a Legendary Marketer. And to come into this is a very cool program, because to come into this is just $30 a month, and you're getting trained by one of the best marketers in the business. All right, so one of the best marketers in the business. He started this several two years ago or so, and it's constantly evolving and getting better and better and better. And when you get in, you get grandfathered in at the price you come in, and he's constantly adding value, so you get more and more for what you came in for. All right, so you can come into this for just $30 a month, and what this gives you at $30 a month, I'm going to jump over here to the back end of Legendary Marketer, is it gives you core steps, right? So it gives you all these steps, and when you first come into the back end, you're going to see this screen right here, right? So it's going to show you steps, and you got to go through this core steps. I think you got to go through 6 of them, and then you get more unlocked as you go on, as you talk to your coach. So you set up conversations with your coach, and you just go through your steps. And what these are trainings. These are Dave Sharp talking about the training, right? So these are your mentor talking about the training of these steps. All right. So once you go through these steps, then you have access to the Marketers Club, right? Well, you actually have access to the Marketers Club at the same time, but these steps are going to help your coach is going to talk to you and tell you exactly how to go through. And with that $30 a month, you're getting all these trainings, right? So you're getting training. You have a success coach that on the back end that actually talks to you and shares with you exactly what to do. Now, guys, this program is pretty phenomenal, and you can see it's got lots of good value. And just by going through here for the $30 a month and learning how to actually promote this system is pretty awesome. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to come in here, and they're going to teach you exactly how to set up a funnel, how to set up everything that you need to be successful, right? And if you're like me, I use Builderall as my platform to promote a product like this. right? If I'm building sales funnels, I'm using I use a multiple autoresponders. I use GetResponse and I use the Mailing Boss. I use Mailing Boss within Builderall, but I also use GetResponse because I already have a large email list that I don't want to move out of there, right? So I'm kind of trapped into that ecosystem. But guys, this program is awesome, and this program will get you high in sales, because what this does is bring people in, and you have somebody doing your high ticket sales on the back end, and they sell it for you. All you drive is traffic to the funnels. They have a built-in funnels that you actually promote for this product, right? So it's like an done for you system that you just drive traffic to. You can buy traffic from them and they'll drive it to your affiliate link and you'll get earned income. I'm serious, guys. This is a pretty powerful high ticket affiliate. This is probably the best one that out there, and it's very good value. All right. So I just wanted to talk about that with you guys today, and share with you what high ticket affiliate marketing was, and share with you the program that I use for my high ticket affiliate offers. All right. So again, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, let me know what you comment below, and let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. If you have any questions about this video, affiliate marketing in general, please post a comment, post it down in the comments below, and I will reply. All right, again, peace out, and I'll catch you on the next video.